Finding the right 36-inch Pro range can be overwhelming. With so many options to choose from, it's no surprise that many people end up regretting their purchase. Contrary to what manufacturers and other websites may claim, there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to Pro ranges. In this video, you'll learn about the features and differences between the best dual fuel ranges and the best brands to consider, along with the drawbacks so you don't end up disliking your range. In the end, I'll show you a new brand that you haven't seen before and could like, along with their cons. To maintain impartiality, we do not accept payment from any of these manufacturers in exchange for a mention on the blog or the YouTube channel. This list is comprised of best features and reliability from logging over 37,000 service calls just last year, over 100,000 service calls in less than 3 years. Now let's help you pick out that range. Wolf is a premium appliance brand owned by Sub-Zero. They're most well known for their red knobs and dual stack burners. Wolf's professional dual fuel range is reliable and they have one of the best service networks available. Let's look at Wolf's best features. Wolf features a high-powered infrared grill and griddle. If you're looking for a grill, you can stop here. Many manufacturers like Thermador and Miele have recently stopped manufacturing ranges of grills. BlueStar is the only other manufacturer, and Wolf is better with the intense directed heat of infrared versus regular gas. Regular gas diffuses the heat, whereas infrared directs the heat. Every burner on Wolf's ranges can simmer exceptionally well at 340 degrees at a consistent temperature. Others, like Thermador, can reach down to 100 degrees, but it's on-off. In terms of burners, Wolf's dual fuel has 20,000, 18, and 15,000 BTU burners. The dual fuel range features a 7-inch controlled screen, Wi-Fi technology, and a higher level convection system known as Vertiflow. Wolf's Vertiflow convection system moves air faster and more evenly with 2 fans and 2 larger heating elements for more even heat distribution. The Wolf Gourmet feature allows you to input the food and the weight, and the oven will calculate time, temperature, and even rack position for the best cooking results. Wolf's dual fuel ranges offer a great combination of features, including high output, grill option, and the best convection system. However, Wolf's ranges are only available in stainless steel and have none of the special features like steam and induction you'll see from some of the other brands on this list. BlueStar is another family-owned American company based in Pennsylvania. Their new dual fuel range is interesting. This new range features 3 sealed 25,000 BTU gas burners, and the back burners are still impressive at 18,000 BTU. They also have a griddle option as well. The X8 burner spreads out 20 inches and 152 ports, providing superior heat distribution compared to other brands. Well, at least that's what the marketing says. Personally, I think the heat hits the pan cooks the food. However, BlueStar now offers controls in their dual fuel with a 7-inch touchscreen and 8 different cooking modes. With over 1,000 colors and 10 trim options, BlueStar ranges can be customized to fit any kitchen decor. You want Celtic green with a black trim, blue and gold with a white trim, or red sock red? You buy it only in a BlueStar. You can customize your own as well. All BlueStar ovens fit a 18 by 26 commercial sheet pan. However, BlueStar ranges do not offer any Wi-Fi connectivity, are single convection, and not available with a grill. BlueStar doesn't offer any additional features like induction or steam like you'll see in the next range. Miele is a well-respected family-owned company from Germany. The M-Touch control system available in their dual fuel range is the most advanced in this list. Like Wolf, the system calculates time and temperature based on the food type and cooking preference. However, the range also features a useful steam assist feature, which includes up to 3 bursts of steam, 17 automatic bread recipes on controls, and a more advanced twin convection system. Steam is good for caramelizing the tops of food like lasagna and adding additional flavor to your meats. Cleaning Miele's range is the easiest in this list, as the grates and racks are designed to be easily washable. You can even put the grates in the dishwasher, and the racks can remain in the oven during the self-cleaning cycle. Stovetop features burners that provide up to 19,500 BTU of heat output. Well, the 19,500 BTU is more or less standard. Some of Miele's other burners are less powerful with outputs of just 9,000 and 8,000 BTU. They also discontinued their infrared grill this year. Additionally, Miele's ranges are not available in color. Thermador, a premium appliance brand owned by Bosch, offers two styles of gas ranges, the Pro Grand series and the Harmony series. They're best known for their star-shaped burners, which, like BlueStar, allegedly provides better pan coverage. They also offer packages with free dishwashers and hoods with qualifying purchases. The Pro Grand series has several additional features compared to the Harmony series. It includes an analog thermometer, a 22,000 BTU burner compared to 18,000 Harmony, a proof or low temperature mode for baking bread, and a bigger oven based on depth. You can even choose to add an induction set of burners to the Pro Grand, which is even the best for simmering and boiling. Induction is also the easiest to clean because the top is glass and doesn't heat as high. The Thermador Pro Grand is also more expensive, costing about $1,500 to $2,000 more than the Pro Harmony. But Pro Grand does protrude by 3 inches, which is why the Harmony series is still popular as it sits flush to the cabinet. The Thermador style burner is easy to clean because it's raised. The simmer burner goes down to 100 BTUs, but it's only available in 2 burners. It has an on-off setting. In comparison, as we said, Wolf simmer is continuous. Thermador's ranges come equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities with the Bosch Home Connect app, which allows you to access recipes and adjust the temperature remotely. Thermador Pro ranges do have some limitations to be aware of before making a purchase. Despite being one of the most affordable on this list, the electric griddle does take some time to reach temperature, and neither series comes with even a basic clock. Additionally, Thermador uses single convection, while competitors like Miele and Wolf offer better convection systems. The Monogram professional ranges are an intriguing choice if you're looking for a smart range. The Monogram Smart HQ app has the best functionality and incorporates Heston Q technology to guide you through cooking new recipes step by step. These ranges are available in 2 models, all burners and 4 burners with a griddle. Their brass burners are more durable, and only La Cornue offers them at a steep price of $40,000 and above. The range's burners produce a high output ranging from 23,000 to 15,000 BTU. They also have a similar rebate program to Thermador with free appliance options when you buy the range. In addition to its high heat output, this range has a powerful griddle, the most powerful, with an output of 18,000 BTU, but it's adjustable by temperature, not just high, medium, and low. The brass accents is appealing, and lighting allows you to change the colors on the app. Ours are understandably Celtic green and blue and yellow in the showrooms. Fortunately, this range lacks the option for a grill, comes in a single convection, and does not have any color variations despite the brass accents. And now for something different. SKS is the premium division of LG, offering 5 36-inch Pro ranges, including 3 dual fuel. This is a new company worth a peek because they make technology so simple. The SKS DR360 SAS is an excellent range to consider, especially if you live in Massachusetts with makeup laws. It features burners with 18,000 BTU, a low of 100 with a sous vide option. For non-sous vide ranges, the maximum output is 23,000 BTU. It also has a 2-zone induction on the other side, providing faster boiling and even better simmering. Sous vide is a precision boiling technique using water immersion. I saw it in use. It's impressive. The meat has a consistent flavor and texture. The chef says it even stays that way even when reheating. The range with induction and sous vide produces less heat and smoke, so it is makeup air compatible, so you don't have to plan a makeup air vent, and you can use your existing hood. The griddle is made from chromium and is the easiest to clean. The oven has the largest capacity of 6.3 cubic feet. The oven also features a combi steam oven function, allows you to cook by convection steam, which is a healthier way to cook by adding moisture. SKS markets itself as the Technicurian, with an advanced clock and timer and LG's ThinQ Wi-Fi package. Touchscreen is so simple to use with its swipe control. However, the SKS does have some drawbacks. For instance, you can't buy a grill for your stovetop. With the SKS, the sous vide feature may not be useful to you. What do you think is the best dual fuel 36-inch range? You can leave in the comments. If you're looking for an all gas range, then click this link, and thanks for watching.